Good afternoon, guys. Joe here at the Black Rock Central Railroad again with just a little quickie video. Got a lot of nice comments about my video yesterday and Jack's coffee grinder, but we managed to get it apart again, and I think it sounds just a little bit better right now as opposed to yesterday's sound. We did not have any broken axles in it, which kind of surprised me. But we did get some grease thrown in there and managed to get it back running again. It doesn't sound anywhere near as bad as it did yesterday. And it does kind of creep along here at Jack speed. So Jack, I'm going to box this up, and as soon as I scrounge up some money, I'll get it back to you, brother. Thanks for watching. This is Joe from Black Rock Central. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye for now.